Welcome to the Explainer. You know that feeling of being completely buried in business data? Well, this one's for you. Today, we're going to demystify the dashboard and show you how to turn all that chaos into your own mission control for total clarity.
So let's just paint a picture, one that's probably all too real for a lot of you. Everything's going great, it's business as usual, and then boom, one number on one screen changes. Suddenly, all the alarm bells are going off, the phones start ringing off the hook, messages are flying everywhere, you're in the middle of a full-blown emergency. And that first little warning sign came directly from your data.
And right there, that's the moment the data alarm bell rings. It shines a huge spotlight on a massive problem that so many organizations face. You're literally drowning in information, but you're starving for actual insight.
Yeah, without some kind of central view, you're just left with this big mush of data. You're stuck digging through one report after another, trying to piece it all together yourself. And that makes every single decision slow, reactive, and, let's be honest, usually a step behind where you need to be.
But what if there was a way to tame all that chaos? A single canvas for clarity? Well, there is, and it's called the dashboard.
So what even is a dashboard, really? Let's forget all the tech jargon for a second. Just think of it as one single page. A beautiful canvas that pulls all your most important data together from all these different places. And the whole point is simple, to get an at-a-glance understanding of what is happening right now.
And the shift here is, well, it's fundamental. It's the difference between trying to look at your business through a tiny keyhole, one report at a time, and seeing the entire landscape all at once. You go from this reactive world of siloed data to a single holistic view that's updated in real time.
Okay, that all sounds fantastic, but how do you actually build one of these things? How do you go about creating your own mission control center?
The crazy thing is, building one is conceptually way simpler than you might think. So if we're using a tool like Power BI, for example, you literally start with a blank canvas. From there, you just start adding what are called tiles, which are really just individual pieces of content. You can pin your most critical charts and visuals right from reports you already have, or you can add brand new stuff from scratch.
And this, right here, is where things get really cool. Because you are not just limited to boring charts. You can add web content, images, text boxes. You can even embed a live video right from YouTube. And for that really dynamic up-to-the-second monitoring, you can stream in live data from APIs. It becomes a true multimedia mission control.
But a modern dashboard is so much more than just a pretty canvas. It's got these AI-driven features that honestly feel a little bit like magic. Let's just call them dashboard superpowers.
So, here's the first superpower. Forget about complicated filters and weird query languages. Just imagine for a second, what if you could just have a conversation with your data, using plain old English, and get an answer back like instantly? Well, that's exactly what the Q&A feature does. Instead of spending time building out a whole new report, you just ask a question. You could literally type, "What cities in Alaska have a contract awarded?" and boom, the dashboard figures it out and shows you the answer instantly. No code, no waiting for someone to help you. It just works. Okay, the second superpower? This one literally flips the script on how you work. You stop checking your dashboard for updates. Instead, the dashboard starts checking for you, and it tells you the second something important happens. This happens through something called a data alert. It's basically a rule that you create. You're just telling the dashboard, "Hey, let me know when this number goes above this much," or "Ping me when this metric drops below that level." It's your own personal, automated notification system for the numbers that matter most.
And setting one up it's just so simple. You pick a visual that it works with, like a KPI or a gauge. You set your condition, your business rule, like notify me if this value shoots past $2 million. Then you just choose how often you want it to check, and that's it. In a tool like Power BI, the system just watches that data for you 24/7.
All right, finally, a truly great dashboard isn't just about the data itself. It's about your view. It has to be tailored to how you work, whether you're sitting at a giant desk or you're on the move. You're not stuck with some generic, out-of-the-box look either. You have total control. You can apply pre-built themes to get a really slick, professional design in seconds. Or you can build your own custom theme, where you control everything. Background images, font colors, the works, to make sure you have a consistent look and feel. And the experience it adapts to you. It's so smart.
On your big computer monitor, you get this wide, comprehensive view with everything laid out. But then you open that exact same dashboard on your phone, and it automatically rearranges itself into this clean, single column that's perfectly stacked for a small screen. You don't have to do a thing.
So here's the crucial point. The dashboard is so much more than just a bunch of charts on a screen. It really represents a fundamental change in how we should be thinking about business intelligence. It's what takes that confusing mush of data and transforms it into a clear, actionable, and truly intelligent mission control center for your entire organization.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. If you had just one single screen to run your world, what would be on it? What are the handful of metrics that would tell you at a single glance if you're winning or losing? Answering that, well, that's the first step, and that's the real power of the dashboard.